Akobo Ibadan. This is Akobo as Ibadan Oyo, Oyo State. So this is our 5 kVA. This is our 5 kVA. This is the power switch. By pressing this one down, the system will off. So switch to this switch here is the control between the main engine, to off the main engine. This is output switch, the switch to off the output. So this is where we connected it to the changeover. So let's go inside.
This one bunge electricity where I got a supply them for power every house, because if you bring them for money to do for this one, you got a do for your business proper. Well, you no go sleep on for darkness again, because this product it don't travel to many parts of the world. This product I don't suffer for the problem of many people, many house. They enjoy them and enjoy every day. Now, as it be, so I don't hear them. So this generator no be new in the market again. It don't travel to many states. Many Hausa people they use them for their states, and many Yoruba and Igbo they enjoy them proper. And we don't do them for many Onyibo people. When we say Onyibo they happy, then they carry big salute, throw away, give us. If you bring money to do these products, you not go regret, because it get longer lifespan. You go there happy every day, because Baba God, it don't come out your life for darkness. May we quickly show you how we do it. Inside this factory, this is where we do the fabrication. You can see the fabrication process as we are doing the sheet cutting, the metal sheet cutting on that sheet cutter machine. So all the fabrication process go on one after the other. So this is our engineering company. We are the manufacturer of these products, and we promise not to disappoint you, because our product has longer lifespan. If you enjoy this video, comment, like and subscribe to this channel to see all our updates whenever we upload new video. Thanks, see you next time.